Damn it, Shore Leave, you ruined another outfit. You think Betsy Ross works here? I'm the one who has to sew this back together, you clown. What are you laughing about, Mr. Bloodstains on everything?
You know that he just rip sews himself. He just tears it off like a Chippendales fireman every time.
Good God, why?
For one, because it looks super cool.
You're an infant. How's that bath working?
No idea. We're used to it. You tell us.
Sorry, boys. You smell like tomato and crap soup.
Hunter, this just came in on the tele.
So what? That man-shaped mountain does that all the time.
Read what he's taking over.
Stop playing Jimmy Olsen and just tell me.
Not in front of, him.
What? What's being taken over?
Nothing. The boy has Tourette's syndrome or something.
Right. Whoop! Pickled penis. My underwear is on fire. Whoop!
It's tragic. Not a damn thing you can do about it. Poor bastard.